So hi everyone, Kajal Mehra this side from Times Tech, and we are here at 31st Convergence Indian Expo 2024, and with us is Mrs. Purvi Kotecha, Finance Director of Ishan Technologies. Hi Purvi, welcome.
Hello, welcome you.
Okay. So first of all, we would like to introduce yourself to our audience.
Sure. So, myself Purvi Kotecha, and I am the co-founder of Ishan NetSol Private Limited and Ishan Infotech Limited, which is now termed as Ishan Technologies. And I have been heading finance, HR, and operations in the organization.
Let's just start the questionnaire, the Q&A session. So my first question for her would be that, Purvi, could you please share some specifics of the Ishan Technologies? I mean, some global expansion plans and the targeted regions of Ishan Technologies.
So last year for Ishan Technologies was all about the geo growth, and we did expand our sales pan India last year. So from this year, it is the time to leverage the expansion that we have already done, and we have already announced that we'll be doubling up our strength by 2026. Around 250% is the increment that we are planning in human resources. So this year it would be around 85 to 100% that would be increasing, and talent acquisition, talent training and development will be the major area where I will be forecasting it. So that is what actually would be required, because in a tech company, human resource is the only resource that we have, and I would be planning to have proper acquisition in place and their training and development so that we can reach the boundaries that we are planning to go to.
What are the strategies that Ishan Technologies achieved the targeted turnover surge 353 crores to 500 crores? And I mean, how does the sectoral presence contribute to this growth?
So till now, we were working into two segments, that is system integrations and network services. Now we are planning to extend our arms by introducing the data center services by this month, and only we would be planning to inaugurate our data center in Mumbai, and then we have a plan to inaugurate and rather to come up with the data centers in Chennai, and then the gift city, which is the buzz around in the entire India. So that is the plan, and then we will be going towards security services also. So, like we did geo expansion last year, this year we'll be going for human expansion, and then we'll be going for the newer products and services, which will be giving a surge of the turnover that you're looking forward to. Because data center definitely is a place where we'll be planning to grow more and more, and that is the need of an hour where definitely India would be going forward to. So we would be like to contribute to that also and increase our revenues through that stream.
That's really a great plan, I must say. So, how does Ishan Technologies actively contribute to the growing data center landscape in India, being connected to over 25 data centers?
So we have a connectivity towards 25 data centers, as I mentioned in my last question itself, that we will be inaugurating in Mumbai. So major cable landing station happens to be in Mumbai, so we can have a connectivity of all the telcos, and it will act as a transit. I mean, a career hotel, you can say, wherein transport and transit would happen, and customers will be getting better connectivity through it. That is our main motto and goal. So that we'll be doing in Chennai again, because that is also a cable landing station, and that is how we plan to move ahead.
So, can you provide some examples of Ishan Technologies' innovative solutions and how they align with the evolving needs of customer in retail, enterprises, and government sectors?
So if I tell you, our USP was always bespoke services. We are never OEM dependent, or we do not depend on the only products that are available in the market. We always give bespoke solutions to our customers, whether it is it always speaks about it, that if it is just a one room which is to be given a connection, or it's a smart city that is to be given a connection, it is always done a designing for them, and then only they are given a solution. It is never a, we can never sell something which is always predefined. So it is always a bespoke solution. For retail, I'll tell you that we are managing around 16,000 kilometers of fiber in Gujarat, and through that we would like to cater to a rural industries, I mean rural segments also, so that internet connection becomes a more viable option for the rural India too. So from Gujarat we'll plan to move out, but as of now we are maintaining 16,000 kilometers, so definitely we'll be taking care of that. Enterprise, to tell you, we are into all the segments of industries, whether it is pharma, whether it is hospitality, whether it is broking. We are catering to major of the industry segments in the market. Broking, I can say that uh, one of the biggest customers that we plan to have, or we definitely have, is the broking segment, because 1 minute of a downtime happens to be a lakhs of problem to them. So definitely we are giving services to them, and that is how we plan to move ahead.
Okay. So, moving ahead to the last question, in the rapidly evolving technology landscape, how does Ishan Technologies maintain its unique position, and what is the vision for the company's future?
So the main vision, as has already been declared, is increasing the number of talent acquisition that we have. So that is the main thing we would be planning to take up to, and the talent acquisition and the products. So we are increasing the products and we are increasing the human resources. So first thing is giving the search to productivity, the search to turnover, the search to the profitability that we have. So that is the major plan and the growth aspect that we are planning. We have already connected with Google. We have connected with AWS for providing cloud interconnect services to our enterprise customers also. So these are all the new segments that we are building up and taking up in the next financial year. So this year also we are planning to cross up some around 500 CR. So fingers crossed for the same. Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much.
Okay. So thank you so much, Purvi, for your valuable time and the insights, and also sharing with us the plans of the Ishan Technologies. And thank you so much for watching us.